Scotty, what have you been up to this morning besides stroking it with a thumb up your rectum?
Actually, I'm trying to put both of them up my butt and walk on my elbows.
Ooh.
But I'm bumped. Okay, so.
We are totally out of line today, but that's normal.
The back is drying. It's still wet, so I can't even go near it to touch.
Your back
even in this sun, it's still a little tacky. So this part doesn't get
sticky.
seen. My back will never get sticky. But that's another story completely. Notice how I said that? Completely.
Oh, God. We're 33 seconds in, and we're already...
I need 5 seconds. I don't know what you're talking about.
Anyway.
Okay, so this part doesn't get touched, but when the screws came out and I tried cleaning them up, they did not clean up right. So I had to get new screws to go in. Not a major big deal. Thank God one of the stores that I deal with locally has been able to get me the ones that I need for being able to do this, so I can replace it with a factory screw. And no one's going to be any wiser unless we're going to a concourse, which this is never going to be in a concourse unless at some point he goes, we're going to make, then it would be a different story. But we're able to make it at least look like it's supposed to. It's going to look respectable. It's going to look nice. And he's going to drive it. So.
Something's going to look respectable?
Well, it definitely ain't going to be me, especially not at 3 o'clock in the morning after about, half a bottle of Tito's. I did not say that out loud, did I? I didn't. Shit, I did.
When did you do that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
He's pleading the fifth.
No, I don't plead the fifth.
After clearing a fifth.
But I'm bumped.
Yeah.
So.
As I thought it would be. Ooh, look.
Ready?
Yes.
You ready? You sure?
Yeah.
You sure? You sure you're ready?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Sock it to me, baby. Look at it. Is this one getting touched up? No.
Ready?
Ooh.
Ready? 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 God bless you.
Ooh.
All the proper screws are in back now.
Wow.
I'm sorry. I think having the proper screws on all the spots
Having it not look like crap is a good thing.
is just super cool. Now I got to wipe this one down because I thought I put some stuff on it to help kill whatever was on it.
You had to wipe these down like 47 times.
Well, they were closed for a long time, and a lot of the stuff is still growing because, well, we're here in the desert where it gets hot and sticky, and there's moisture.
That sounds like That sounds like a Sunday afternoon at Scotty's.
Well, no, that can be a Saturday night, Friday night, whatever. Whatever.
Boy.
So, I have one window left to scrape clean, as we can see. If we look at this window.
Ooh.
Before.
After.
After. Before. Before.
After.
But I'm bumped.
All right.
So,
we're having
basically,
too much fun.
minus this window, everything back here is completely done. And I'm going to re-wipe everything down to get it clean again. Some of the stuff is just too difficult to take apart, so it's not getting paint.
It doesn't.
And where it hits is going to constantly
It's going to rub off anyway.
So it's going to make all the black portions
reddish. And
I don't want that.
I'm really interrupted by somebody calling me.
How dare anybody call you? Wait a minute. What did they call you? Sexy? Furry?
You said I had a firm ass.
Well, hey, it is what it is.
And I asked you if it was firm or furry, and you said both.
A little bit of both, yeah.
And I was a little terrified about that.
So
Anyway,
this is
so we were interrupted.
all done.
And we were talking about the black being the red, and the red being the black, and the rub and
And I don't want certain things to get messed up. So once they're clean and done, they're done. We got all the proper screws to go for the back paneling. So that's all screwed into place. The screws that were there were just too far gone, and I'm like, nope. I like the way it's kind of standing out, but it's standing out in a good way. So we're not restoring it. We're just bringing it back to life again.
I think your next step, we're gonna actually be calling Ken in like a matter of seconds after we're done shooting.
Okay,
this.
you talk into this for a minute because I have to set something up for the next shot.
Oh, you're setting up for the next shot.
I'm setting up for the next shot, but in the same aspect, no, you can't. I will call you in literally like 2 seconds. 1, 2.
All right, so
Is he delivering oil to us?
I guess, yeah.
Yes.
Sure.
You're welcome, sir.
I mean, I'm in the middle of shooting a video. He could have waited.
Okay, so
I don't know why he's bringing it.
I don't know.
I ordered it from
Put
the
your
other
camera
one.
in there.
Yeah, it's in there.
Okay, there you go. Okay, so
Okay. Oh, I can't be shooting what you're doing.
Right.
So, I think before we do the seats, I was going to say, Scotty, maybe you should start up on getting your roof apart to get ready to do the repair and
Well,
wrap.
this is gonna be a holy crap,
Why is there? What?
because I had tape up here holding cardboard to keep the weather out, and I had plastic on it so that we wouldn't get anything
We
on
still
the
have
inside.
no window or
Correct.
that we need.
Right. So we're waiting on information on that. I may have a lead on a tailgate, but I'm not sure yet.
Okay.
So the guy's supposed to get a hold of me this week and let me know. Can't wait.
Okay, so what are we setting up shop for?
So let's do a quickie update so everybody knows what's going on. You go that way. I'll go this way.
I'll go this way. I go this way. I go this way. Okay, I'm here. What do you want me to do?
Okay, open up your door.
The back door?
Back door.
Oh, this is nicely scratched. Did you see this?
Yep, that's nothing we did. It's the way it showed up.
I know, but that's fun.
Okay, so ladies and joins, if you look at my door panels,
Yes.
all the handles on every door,
Yeah, we discussed this yesterday in video.
that's how anal retentive I am. And that's how bad we're doing this. So
Look
we
at
got a
that.
little bit
That
of-
looks good.
Doesn't it? It came out really good.
Scotty, get your face in the frame of the thing and do a picture. Ooh, yeah, that's terrifying. But that'll be your new picture. That's gonna be your new profile picture on Grindr. Come see my shaggin' wagon. Just
So,
kidding.
and then we'll do a little bit.
And then this one you're still on because it's a shit show and a half. We discussed that
But
yesterday.
every door panel
Yes, dear.
has been off long enough to show that everything's been re-greased and re-oiled and re-taken care of so that everything opens like it's supposed to.
So now this is coming apart.
Yep, this is coming apart,
'Cause you need
and
to
it's
clean and
cleaning and
shoot it.
scrubbing and getting everything taken care of.
And it's gotta be
And
shot,
we can
right?
see
Oh, wow.
how bad this is. I mean, it's just really, really bad.
Yeah, we were supposed to be discussing upholstery and such with Ken here. When we
Exactly.
called him.
So,
So-
are we ready?
Yes.
Scotty's got magic tricks. You ready?
Scotty's turning tricks. Oh. Oh, my.
Look at the difference.
Before, after. Before, after.
Now watch this. Before,
Where's before?
after. So,
I need to call HR. I'm being touched inappropriately in the workplace.
hi, this is HR. You're filing a complaint?
Son of a bitch. Is it bad that he's HR?
You did it to yourself.
Yeah.
I thought I was the boss.
I mean,
Fine.
you were.
I think that's my numbers for my race car. What's it? Who's it from?
Racing graphics.
Yeah, that'd be the numbers for my race car. Ooh, we get to see the new numbers later.
Okay,
I'll
so
set 'em right here.
Okay.
over here. I'm more important.
No,
Come
you're
on.
not. My race car is the most important thing here. Sorry, everybody.
Right? Do I have your attention?
Damn! I need
So-
an adult.
We'll pull these out, and if we can't get these clean,
Scotty, you don't
I've got
pull out.
new bolt. Well, I got kids, so hey.
Oops.
If I can't get these clean enough, I've got new screws to put in. That's
You've
not even
got-
an issue.
You've been screwing like...
I've been actually pretty lucky to find the proper screws to go in
yeah.
absolutely everywhere.
I was going to make a screwing joke, but you knew where I'd go with it?
Yeah, I knew where you were going with it, and Scotty turned it right around.
And-
Yep.
And,
But bump.
did that again? There you go. Oh, we can charge extra for this. Anyway, all right. Are we about done so we can call Ken?
Nope. And
Oh, shit.
this is the surprise part. Okay.
Listen, more
But
Ooh,
you are
everything-
not. I'm not even going to show you.
Why
I'm not. Because
We're
just going to have to wait till the next video.
You whore.
I've been called worse by better.
Better than
Shots
What?
fired. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, see ya!